How to study for our board examination? Just come and join with me. We can go together towards success. My dear students, mathematics standard is there and basic is there. Just go through the course structure. Number system means we know the chapter real numbers. From there we can expect 6 mark. Algebra means polynomial, quadratic equation, pair of linear equation. This all chapter together we can expect 20 marks. Coordinate geometry 6 mark. Geometry means circles, triangles. This all included in 15 marks. Trigonometry 12 marks. Trigonometry in the sense applications of trigonometry and introduction to trigonometry. Mensuration, areas related circles, surface area volumes. These two chapters we can expect 10 marks from this area. Statistics and probability 11 mark. This is the actual distribution of marks. Now what are the topics we studied from each and every chapters we can discuss now. First one, number system. In number system we studied the chapter number 1, real numbers. In real numbers, fundamental theorem of arithmetic is very important, which means how to factorize the numbers. We know that every composite number can be factorized. The factorization is unique apart from the order in which occur. The second point, many examples are there. How to find HCF, how to find LCM, HCF and LCM. In detail I will explain later. So these are the main points. How to prove root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. are irrational. Then second unit, algebra. The chapter is polynomials, pair of linear equation, quadratic equation. In polynomials it is very important how to find zeros of a polynomial. The relationship between zeros and coefficients, alpha plus beta, alpha beta, these two relations. Then pair of linear equation, we studied graphical method of solving pair of linear equations into variable. Then consistency, inconsistency. Consistency means there will be solution. Inconsistent means there is no solution. Algebraic conditions for number of solutions. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 all are equal means infinitely many solution, coincident line. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 are not equal, then it is unique solution. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, then there is no solution. Such a way some conditions we studied from this chapter, pair of linear equations in two variable. Then we studied how to find solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables by using substitution method, elimination method. Then simple situational word problems also we can expect from this chapter. Then third chapter, quadratic equation. Standard form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Solutions of a quadratic equation, that means b square minus 4ac. And we studied the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. This equation is very important. This b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. In detail we will discuss later. Arithmetic progression, nth term and common difference, sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression, some application level questions, especially we can expect the question in case study based. Then coordinate geometry, distance formula, graph of linear equation, section formula. These are the main topics we have to study from the chapter coordinate geometry. Then triangles, first theorem, basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, divides other two sides into distinct points in the same ratio if it is parallel. So this is very important. Then its proof also we have to study. If a line is, it's a reverse also, that means converse of basic proportionality theorem is also important. Then we studied AA similarity rule, SA similarity rule, SSS similarity rule. These rules are very important for proving two triangles are similar, not congruent, similar. Congruent already we studied in our lower classes. The next chapter, circles. In geometry another chapter is there, circles. Two theorems are there. In a circle the tangent and the radius to the point of contact are perpendicular. This is the first theorem. Second theorem, in a circle in an external point P is there. From this point external, from an external point two tangents can be drawn, both the tangents are equal. How to prove these two theorems is also very important, we have to study. Then introduction to trigonometry, there are 4 points. First point is SOHCAHTOA. What is Okatova? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. Then we studied relation. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite. It's a reciprocal. So when we multiply sin into cosec means this OOHH cancel, it will be equal to 1. That means sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, cos and sec, the same relation is there. Tan and cot, the same relation is there. Then we studied the very important thing, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the important identity. In detail, we will discuss later. So, another thing, specific angles are there: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These all specific angles will be inserted in a trigonometry ratio. What is sin 0, sin 30, sin 45? These all values we have to study. Then trigonometry applications. That means how to find a height or distance of different things. For example, height of the tower, height of the building, or distance from the bottom of the bridge to the other side of the river. Such a way different situations will be there, but all situation we will connect with the right angle triangle and we will form the height and distance. Then angle of elevation, angle of depression, whatever it is there on the top and we are looking to the top, we are taking elevated angle, which is known as angle of elevation. From top to down, if we observe anything, that is angle of depression. Line of sight is very important. Line of sight means from the point of observer to the point of object. The next point is areas related circles. In the chapter areas related circles, we have to know what is area of sector. Area of sector means area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, or pi r square into theta by 360. Similarly, area of segment. Segment means by drawing a chord there will be minor segment and major segment. How to find the area of this minor segment? Just to draw a corresponding triangle, and before that a big sector is there, this sector. Area of this sector minus this triangle's area, we will get this shaded region. That means area of segment. That's very important. Then surface area volumes. There will be cube, cuboid, sphere, hemisphere, right circular cylinders, and the combination of these all solids. This is very important. And the last chapter is statistics, mean, median, mode for grouped data. Even though we have to understand how to find this mean, median, mode for ungrouped data also. What is the difference between grouped data and ungrouped data? Grouped data means class distributions will be there. Ungrouped data means each and every observations will be given differently. Probability, classical definition of probability. That means number of event divided by number of sample space. Number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. This is the basic definition for probability, which is known as classical definition of probability. And next thing is very important. There will be questions based on coins, tossing a coin, tossing 2 coins, tossing 3 coins at a time. So what is the probability of getting at least 2 heads, at most 3 heads, or exactly 3 heads? So such kind of questions we can expect. Or there will be questions related to dice. When we throw 2 dice together, there will be outcomes 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, etc. So the questions will be based on this dice or coins or playing cards. What are the playing cards? There are 52 cards, out of which 26 black color, 26 red color. From the black again it is classified into 2, spade and club, 13. Similarly, red color again divided into diamond and heart, each 13. So these are the main topics we have to cover in our revision. We will go to our detailed revision. Thank you.